they're not going to revalue gold to $100,000. Gold is fairly priced right now. And a lot of people may be mad about that. I know Andy Scheckman would probably shake his head and say that I'm ridiculous. If you look at the gold to S&P ratio, the gold to real estate ratio, it's about middle of the bell curve in comparison to how many ounces or kilograms of gold it takes to purchase things. It took 10, kilograms of gold back in the 1913s, 1919 teens to buy a home, a nice home. Takes about the same amount today. It's about $79,000 or $80,000 for a kilogram of gold. So an $800,000 home is a nice home. That's how I value gold and where I think it should be priced. If they repriced gold that high to back the currency with, they need another mechanism. It can't be that high. That would also, like you mentioned here, was silver. Silver's not going over $100. I know people want it to go to 150, 200, $500. I hope I'm wrong. I hope people make a bunch of money, and I am completely wrong. Okay, I don't see that happening. I think a fair price for silver would be a 40-to-1, which is what it has been historically to gold. So if let's say gold got to 4,000, you could see $100 silver. If gold's at 3,000, silver should be at $75. Should be double where it is, a little bit more than double where it is. But it's not. It's being spoofed. JP Morgan suppressing it with paper silver. When the COMEX does come through and 589 happens and Basel III and all the other stuff that they've been, threatening for like 5 or 6 years now, maybe that revaluation will take place. I think you could see a $5,000 gold. I think that's reasonable. $5,000 gold, $125 silver. Sure, cool. But if it gets to the value that you mentioned here, our currency is collapsed.